I do feel very humbled and very honored because the Dada Saheb Phalke International Festival is very special, and to be acknowledged, with the award of contribution to Indian cinema is very, very meaningful. Thank you.
Yes, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. It's absolutely fabulous to be recognized and appreciated for your work. And I've been singing for 57 years, so it's just wonderful that I get the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, which is so prestigious. And so happy to see someone like her, my goodness. It's just marvelous. I'm really happy and proud to be here. Actually, overwhelmed. Really overwhelmed. Thank you so much. With all gratitude and all my humility, without all of you, nothing would be possible. Thank you.
It's a wonderful feeling. As I said earlier, that I've had the privilege of being here for the last 4 or 5 years, in fact. And winning the award, of course, is a very special feeling. To be recognized by the honorable jury is every actor's aspiration, every actor's dream. And for a film like Sector 36, which is so special to all of us who've been a part of it, it's all the more special. मैं बेहद खुश हूँ सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा है। और जैसे आपने कहा कि ये साल वाकई अच्छा रहा है, बस और शुक्री कर सकता हूँ मैं ऊपर वाले का, और क्या कर सकता हूँ इस वक्त। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो जनता है हमारी, जो ऑडियंसेस है हमारी, जिन्होंने मेरी फिल्में देखी है, मेरा नाम भी रेकमेंड किया है, मेरे काम को पसंद किया है, तो मैं उनका शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा। एक फिल्म है मेरी वाइट, जिसकी शूटिंग हम कर रहे हैं इस वक्त। इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द कोलंबियन सिविल वॉर, जिसके बारे में मैंने काफ़ी बात की भी है मीडिया में, तो उसकी शूटिंग चल रही है। और बाकी अगले साल की बातें हम अगले साल करेंगे। थैंक यू। थैंक यू जी जी। हाँ, हैप्पी बर्थडे। उनका बर्थडे आ रहा है, हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलेंगे एंड बेस्ट ऑफ हेल्थ बोलेंगे। ही इज टर्निंग 60। इट्स अ मेजर माइलस्टोन। आई जस्ट वांट टू विश हिम द बेस्ट ऑफ हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस। Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so first of all, namaste, everyone. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for all the love that you have been showering on me, for all the music that I've been doing. This is definitely a very, very, very special moment for me. This is the second time I'm receiving this award. Once I received from the South Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and now receiving it right from the North, and I'm really so happy. You know, receiving an award in the name of this great legend, Dada Saheb Phalke, sir, and that itself is a blessing. So I'm really grateful, and I feel truly blessed. Thank you so much. Yeah, there are lots of movies. I mean, happening in different languages, in Telugu, Tamil and also Hindi. But right now the current project that we are working on is Ustad Bhagat Singh with Pawan Kalyan sir, which will be the next release. So we're all busy making that. And then a lot of interesting projects which are not titled yet, also you'll be knowing very soon. And some very interesting Bollywood movies. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for the love. Thanks to all the media. Love you guys.
25 का अवार्ड मिला, जो मैंने पहली बार शॉर्ट फिल्म में काम किया था और पहले ही बार में मुझे अवार्ड मिला। बहुत खुशी हो रही है। एक तो दादा साहब फाल्के, जिसने पहली फिल्म की थी, उस नाम का अवार्ड मिल रहा है। आज तक मिले अवार्ड्स मिले, लेकिन इस नाम का मुझे अवार्ड पहली बार मिला, हमारे फिल्म के लिए मिला। बहुत खुश है, बहुत खुश हो रही है। और हमारी न्यूड फिल्म थी, मतलब 1903 में राजा हरिश्चंद्र फिल्म बनी थी, जो न्यूड फिल्म थी, और हमारी भी न्यूड फिल्म थी। तो एक वो लगता है कि कोइंसिडेंस था। बहुत खुश हुआ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I think it's a great event, and it becomes a reason for all of us to come together, and it's wonderful. I wish everybody who's about to get an award all the best, including us.
Absolutely the same. It's an honor that we're here. Thank you for having us and hope to see you a year after. Thank you.
It's really feels very nice, and it's a big honor for us to be here at the Dadasaheb Phalke Awards. The awards just get bigger and better every year, and I wish them all the very best this year as well.
Yeah, I think it's become a big name in the award circle now, so all the best to the organizers.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm truly honored to be a part of Dadasaheb Phalke Awards, and it's been an honor. This is my first time, so I'm super excited. And of course, I went for the screening yesterday also because my short film has been nominated. Here's the director, Sujoy Mukherjee, and that's his wife, Supriya. That's my mother, she's also here. And our short film has been nominated, Hunar, in top 10 films, so we are excited about that. We're keeping our fingers crossed, hope we win.
Yeah. It's such an honor to be in the top 10 in Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival. Hunar is a beautiful film with a very strong message about, the stories about parents' unfulfilled dreams, how they put it on the little shoulders, not realizing the talent within them. So very strong subject, and we got a lovely reaction yesterday from the audience. So let's hope for the best.
अच्छा लग रहा है शुरू से इंग्लिश और हिंदी इट फील्स नाइस अच्छा लग रहा है टू बी हियर विद द एंटायर ये रिश्ता कहलाता है टीम एंड बहुत अच्छे मौके पे मिल रहा है क्योंकि ये शो इंडिया का आई थिंक एशिया का लार्जेस्ट रनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ एपिसोड शो है और अगले महीने दिसंबर 5 को हम कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं 5000 एपिसोड्स सो आई थिंक एक बड़े अच्छे वक्त पे एक ऐसा अवार्ड मिल रहा है थैंक यू
I'm so happy and so proud that I'm a part of this show now. और ये हमारा सीजन 4 में हम सब साथ में हैं. जैसे राजन जी ने आपसे कहा कि we'll be completing 5000 episodes in December. तो इससे अच्छा मौका हो ही नहीं सकता कि इस वक्त हमें ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है. And thank you राजन जी.
Thank you to everyone. Thank you.
Come बेटा.
To be part of this legacy is always, as I say, to go down in history. And thank you so much, sir, for giving me the opportunity, for trusting me and for directing me every day and for creating such a good atmosphere also. And I think it's the synergy of the show. And it is not easy to run a fictional show for 17 years. And through Touchwood, we're completing 5000 episodes, and that's a huge feat in itself. And I'm blessed to be a part of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajanji, for always being there for us whenever we need you. And yeah, so whenever we need you, in fact, from right from Vidai, whenever we needed him, he's always there, not as a producer, like a father to us. And he always blesses us and he takes care of all the problems. Thank you, sir.
Well, I'm very happy to be here because I was a jury member yesterday and I felt very happy to see the 10 short films, and I really hope the best films win. It's always a pleasure to be amongst people who showcase talent, and I like these platforms because they're really giving voices to people who really need it. So I'm very happy. Thank you so much, Dadasaheb Phalke International Awards. Thank you to the team for making this happen. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Of course, Dadasaheb Phalke वो है जिन्होंने Indian cinema, is the legacy. He's the one who created everything, and it's a big honor, to be at Dadasaheb Phalke Award. मैं तो दिल से चाहूँगी कि मुझे भी एक दिन अवार्ड मिले कुछ अच्छा सा, और आप लोग मुझसे अच्छी सवाल पूछें कि अवार्ड मिलके कैसा लग रहा था. I'm waiting for that day. I've been working on something, कुछ मार्शल आर्ट्स कर रही हूँ, उसी चीज़ में बिजी हूँ. आज सुबह से काम करती इसके लिए लेट आई यहाँ पे, तो जस्ट Oh, exactly. About that man, I find his brain extremely sexy and the most charming, and looks like God in front of the camera, and it's just beautiful man, and I'm in awe of it. So yeah, just wishing him all the very best. Happy birthday. Thank you.
It feels a privilege to be here to attend an award honoring Dadasaheb Phalke. The royal family of Baroda and the city of Baroda indeed has had a long association with Dadasaheb, and it feels very, very special to be here and to be part of that legacy again today.
Talking about the Indian cinema in today's diaspora, what do you have to say?
I think we are a very, very vibrant industry. There is a huge variety of skill, craftsmanship, talent, storytelling that is emerging, and I think Indian cinema stands tall in world cinema.
Absolutely. Thank you, and looking forward for you to be coming back and sharing your experience on the show.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
आई थिंक इट्स एन एब्सोल्यूट ऑनर एंड अ प्लेजर और ये कम लोगों को सौभाग्य नसीब होता है कि इतने बड़े मंच के साथ जुड़ना, एक दादा साहब फाल्के जी की पूरी लेगेसी के साथ जुड़ना और उसे होस्ट करना. आई थिंक इट्स अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल ड्रीम फॉर मी कमिंग टू.
It's absolutely my pleasure and an honor that this is my first time ever, my first award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and I'm very, very excited and very, very thankful to all the jury members for giving me this award. So I'm very happy and excited. It's been, that's what I was saying, that it's been almost 100 years now, or almost close to 100 years since the inception of the cinema and the beautiful culture of having songs and story in the films that we have in our country. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
So we are very happy to be here and part of the Dada Saheb Phalke 10th year celebration. ये award को 10 साल हो चुके हैं and they have done a great job right from a small function right now all the way to Dome, which is considered one of the best venues in India, and we look forward to more and more success for Dada Saheb Phalke. We are going to be collaborating and taking it very big, and way forward is going to be very big. So all the best to.
It's great. It's a big award show and it has its own legacy. So I think it's a great feeling to be here and looking forward to the awards and having fun. Sorry? Yeah, I think he's the OG अगर कहा जाए दादा साहब फाल्के. It all started because of him, right? तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा अवार्ड शो है एंड सबके लिए बहुत ही बड़ा सम्मान भी है ऐसा अवार्ड मिलना, टू गेट दिस ऑनर ऑल्सो, एंड या सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द अवार्ड्स.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर शोहिनी शास्त्री, मैं लाइफ कोच एंड स्पिरिचुअल हीलर हूँ. मैं जूरी और स्पेशल गेस्ट बन के आई हूँ. कल मैं जज थी. बहुत अच्छा शॉर्ट्स फिल्म स्क्रीनिंग हुआ, 10 फिल्म मैंने देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. दादा साहेब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा गर्जियस और ग्लैमरस प्रोग्राम है. इसमें आना, आमंत्रित होना, ये बहुत ही गर्व और महसूस की बात होता है. तो मैं बहुत ही गर्व और सम्मानित फील कर रही हूँ आके. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मेरा तरफ से सबको मैं वही बताना चाहूँगी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Get into cinema fraternity, and I think both of us are delighted to receive.
Gratitude, I can say, so.
Absolutely.
Of course.
As kids, I think it was for us, cinema was something that we would look up to. It was the most entertaining factor in our life. And then knowing about Dada Saheb Phalke, the pioneer of Indian cinema, I guess nobody can miss that energy and that vibe.
I think for me, cinema in terms of when you talk about Dada Saheb Phalke, late in my life, I came to know who was the founder, and the godfather of Indian cinema. But for me, cinema was when Ganpati used to be in our area, and there used to be big screens, and on the road we used to watch those. So, and then we saw his first black and white, and I came to know that time. I was completely amazed. So good memories. As you know, childhood memories are very precious. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I think it's a true honor to be here celebrating such a legendary figure and to be celebrating Indian cinema in this way. So I'm truly grateful to be able to get here and to be able to be a part of all of this. And I'm just really looking forward to the rest of this evening. Thank you.
Very glad and feeling honored, especially my family. First time in the awards, my husband came with me. I got many awards, but this is extremely special because more special because my father called me and he said, "ये awards तो बड़े-बड़े film stars को मिल रहा है बेटा, ये आपको मिल रहा है." So for him, it's a big thing. He got emotional that I am getting an award in Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So it's a big thing for me, for my family, and I'm getting this for Mangal Lakshmi. So I am so thankful to Colors TV, to Suzaina Ghai ma'am, who is my producer, content creator of the show, that she has a belief कि जो मैंने past roles किए थे उन्होंने मुझे stereotype नहीं किया और मुझे एक different role दिया जहाँ आज मुझे लोग मंगल के नाम से भी जानते हैं और today I'm getting this for Mangal. So I'm so honored and I'm very blessed. Thank you to the universe, thank you to the Divine Mother, thank you to all of my audiences who love me, who trust my acting capabilities. जो एक जिस ट्रस्ट ऑनेस्टी से मैं अपने किरदारों को निभाती हूँ वो उनके दिल को छुआ और वो मुझे पसंद करते हैं. So thank you so much for watching me, for watching my performances in my shows always. So I'm really grateful. Because of you all, I'm getting this.
Honestly, I've heard about this award a lot of times and this is my very first time here and I really feel glad and very privileged to be the part of this whole event because there are a lot of renowned names that have actually been associated with this award and they have actually received it. Today I come here as someone who was actually our show is nominated for that, so I'm really happy for that and it feels really overwhelmed because 4 years back it was a dream and to go to award functions, to be there, to feel the presence over there and give interviews like this. So it feels really surreal. Thank you so much guys for always inviting us.
I'm really happy. I'm just here to support him because his show is getting an award and yeah, I'm really happy to be here because I used to see this award function when I was in my hometown and the way that we are attending it today, it's just very grateful and surreal feeling. So yeah, thank you. Thank you.
मी महाराष्ट्राची मुलगी आहे म्हणून दादासाहेब फाल्के अवॉर्ड आहे आणि हे अतिशय आनंदाचा आणि उत्सवाचा गोष्टी आहे की मी इकडे आहे आणि and it's a very honorable thing to even attend something like this. So I am very glad to be invited here to be a part of this entire organization. Thank you to the Dada Saheb Phalke Award organization and the committee to actually have me here and I'm looking forward for a fantastic show. Thank you.
I think I'm really happy to be here at this prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Awards and I'm really happy that I'll be performing tonight. Also might receive an award, not really know, but so happy that I'll be performing for all of them, Mumbaikars, and for this prestigious award. I'm really looking forward. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I am first of all extremely honored that I'm on the advisory board now. I've been invited on the advisory board, so I'm extremely honored for this prestigious award. It's fantastic. And I'm very happy to be here. And I really hope this award goes all over the world.
And this has been the most prestigious award ceremony all along all these years and just we hope it just keeps that authenticity and the greatness that it has. Thank you.
It's an absolute honor to be here. Lucky and Mohammed are very dear friends. They're like family to us. And I don't think there are better people who could have taken the torch ahead. And yeah, it's always lovely to be around talent, icons, legends. So all I can say is very humbled. And yeah, it's amazing to be here. Yes, Mumbai, I want to thank you. Thank this lady, my wife, who put together the show very quickly. But I was pleasantly surprised. Mumbai ने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दे दिया. And now we're already planning again in Feb, Jan on the tour. And thanks to you guys, Parul ji. And yeah, upwards and onwards.
Well, it's like coming back home. मैं इनके सीजन 1 से इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. I've hosted for them, I've been supporting them, and I think the quality with which they present the award is what matters. चाहे वो उनका invitation हो, चाहे दारा साहब फाल्के जी का नाम जो इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. In fact, I've met the grandson of दारा साहब फाल्के जी. पहली बार मेरी मुलाकात उनसे इसी प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से हुई थी and really honored. Thank you.
लव और ये सिनेमा, ये इंडस्ट्री का ये नाम एक जान है, एक प्यार है और सिनेमा हमारे ब्लड में है और जब तक हम जिंदा हैं सिनेमा के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते रहेंगे, गाने लिखते रहेंगे, गाते रहेंगे, बनाते रहेंगे, इतने बनाएंगे कि हमारे मरने के बाद भी हज़ारों साल तक लोग गाने सुने और हमें सिनेमा के थ्रू याद रखें. डेफिनेटली.
So it's very special for somebody that's come from a reality show to perform in such a big stage is very special in front of such amazing artists and invitees. बहुत ही ज़्यादा special. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm extremely honored to be a part of this beautiful event, Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Awards, and I feel really great and lucky to be a part of this, where all the artists, they come together and the cinema is celebrated, music, dance, storytelling all together. So it's absolutely fantastic to be here. Thank you.
Receiving the award for this festival, Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival, and it really means a lot. It means everything to me. It's a Marathi film, and I'm glad that Marathi film won the first prize. Thanks to my producers Nishad and Nupur. Nishad is the one who also wrote the film. The simplicity of this film is the best part, and that is what I like. And the film is live on YouTube. Please watch it. You can watch it on YouTube. Jaswanda is the name. It means hibiscus flower, and please comment your reviews on that. Thank you so much.
Glad to come to Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and I'm very thankful of Mr. Mohammad Morani Sarji. He's very close to me since 10 years, and he's the son of Kukurla's MLA, Mr. Mangesh Kudalkar. He's Jai Kudalkar. So Jai, can you speak something for 2 minutes for this award?
मोहम्मद भाई ने बोला इसलिए शूट करना रहता है और इवेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको, ऐसे ही बुला के रही.
So he is also very glad to come here, and we are very honored to come here. All the best for Dada Saheb Phalke Award and to the entire team. Thank you.
Phalke Award is such a prestigious award. इंडिया का पहला अवार्ड है फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी को लेकर के, तो इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरती की बात और नहीं हो सकती कि मैं यहाँ पे आ पाई और यहाँ पे जितने भी फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी के दिग्गज हैं उनको अवार्ड जीतते हुए देख पाऊँगी और उम्मीद करती हूँ एक दिन the day will come and I also receive such prestigious award of Indian cinema. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just looking forward to everything that's going to happen here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
इस बार का जो नेचर ऑफ कॉल है, इट्स लाइक वंडरफुल. स्टेज बहुत अच्छा बना है. सो या ऑल गुड यार. अपार भाई इज लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल. हाँ, अभी तो फरहाना बिग बॉस में ही है, सो अभी बाहर निकलेगी फिर उसकी सक्सेस पार्टी करेंगे. और अभी कुछ बड़े गाने कर रहे हैं हम लोग. सो देयर इज़ अ सॉन्ग कॉल्ड शमशान इज़ गोइंग टू बी आउट वेरी सून, एंड लेटर ऑन देयर इज़ वन मोर सॉन्ग वी गोना डू इट. सो अभी चल रहा है उसका. Thank you.
Extremely happy that I've been invited here because I think it's one of the most prestigious awards that I have been hearing of as a child, and to be a part of an award like this, even to I would say it's like it's a milestone moment for an artist. So because we've grown up, at least I have grown up listening to or reading Vijay Tendulkar from my father was a theatre actor, my grandmother was a theatre actress. So this award has always been spoken about in my family, and I think today is the day where I feel so happy that I'm here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, 100%. बिल्कुल. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री से जो भी जुड़ा है, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, चाहे वो सिंगर हो, चाहे डांसर हो, हर किसी का ड्रीम होता है कि उसमें शरीक होना, उसमें शिरकत भी मिल जाती है. तो हमें लगता है कि वी आर द ब्लेस्ड वंस कि हम लोग यहाँ पर आए, परफॉर्म किया है. इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग.
I think it's absolutely an honor to be here and to share the stage with her, performing here at Dadasaheb Phalke International Awards. I'm like really blessed. Coming from like a music, film background, it was really exciting to see everybody going on stage, even collecting their awards. It was like a little throwback to my days when I was into filmmaking, still into filmmaking, but like it is a really wonderful stage and really proud to be here.
So absolutely a wonderful film festival this one is and a beautiful award. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे मज़ा आया दीपिका सिंह को कवर करने में मतलब आई रियली एंजॉयड इंटरव्यूइंग हर वो इतनी मज़ेदार थी बट बाकी सारे थोड़ा हिचकिचा के बात कर रहे थे बट शी वाज ऑल देयर आउट देयर उन्होंने सारी फेवरेट मिठाईज बताई नमकीन वो क्या खाती हैं ऑफ सेट ऑन सेट इट वाज वेरी नाइस सो यस थैंक यू